Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We're going to make a paratha. Now parathas are eaten quite a lot in sort of people have it for breakfast with just a tea, no curry. Parathas are used with curries. It's quite a popular little bread. It's sort of underrated, and I can show you how to make it vegan as well. So do go in a curry. It's not normally vegan. Just take out the ghee and we'll use vegetable oil. So there's another option for you. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, drop me a comment. Loads of people are asking me a lot of questions, and I've been trying to get back to people when I can. I hope you get back to, I think, everybody. So yeah, drop us a like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. You'll get all the notifications of every time I upload. So let's get cooking a paratha. Okay, so we've got the chapati dough, which is the same dough that's used for paratha, but a thicker, a bigger, more dough is used for the paratha because it's thicker than a chapati. So I've got it here. So roughly about a tennis ball size you want. Again, you're just going to put it down here, flatten it there. So yeah, we're just going to kind of roll it. Make sure it gets quite sticky, so make sure you've got enough thing in there, enough flour. Self-raising flour is what we use. Just make sure it's nice and round as well. Nice and even, otherwise you'll have different parts of it cooking at different stages. So this is kind of round. Just done it very quickly, but it is quite round. Just go to your edges and just massage them, because your edges will be thicker than what's here because you're rolling it in the middle. Just going to kind of use the technique where I hit it with my thumb and it just evens out a little bit. Okay guys, so after we've rolled it out, we're now going to put it on the tawa, which is like a non-stick sort of pan. Okay, make sure it's heated a little bit. You're not putting the dough straight in, otherwise it will stick. So this is the bit that doesn't make it vegan. So we've got cardamom, butter ghee. If you want a vegan, just put vegetable oil. It's not going to be a problem. You're just not going to get that buttery taste. So I'll put the ghee in. As you can see, mine's quite hot. It's melting straight away. And I'm evenly sort of kind of getting it ready. I'll put quite a bit of ghee in, probably a bit too much, and drain that out afterwards. So that looks quite done. So you want to put it on slow gas. Got a little bit of steam coming out. It's quite hot. If it wasn't hot and you put it in, then it's gonna kind of stick. Just gonna slowly put the bread in. And what it is you just want to keep it sort of moving so it doesn't get stuck. Put it on very, very slow gas. Let it cook inside, all around. Use like one of these sort of spatulas to kind of press it a little bit here and there. And automatically it should be getting a little bit harder, so then you can flip it after. I think I'm ready to flip it. What it is I'm just sort of touching here, and it's quite hard. You've got that hard kind of texture. Just want to flip it over. Yeah, as you can see, that side is nice, crispy, and it's done. You've just got the other side. Can you see, like, it's nice and crispy? It's all pretty much nicely done. If that side wasn't done, you could just reflip it after you've done the other side. So like a sort of a similar pancake sort of method. You can get stuffed parathas, which I'll probably show you in another video. So you've got vegetable stuffed parathas. We get some weird requests, like can we have like a keema stuffed paratha? We have like someone's asked for a garlic paratha. Quite a lot of funny requests, but it can kind of be done. Okay guys, so there we have it. A nice plain paratha bread.